Hi everyone! Welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today I'll be cooking a very easy, delicious, clear and healthy soup called chicken stuffed cabbage soup. Come along with me to see how this soup is prepared. First, we need to manage our cabbage. So take out the central hard core using a paring knife. So be careful when you do this because the core is very hard. So cut around it and then slowly lift it up like so. Okay, right? So we are going to boil this cabbage and we're going to turn the cut side down so that the hot water can get deep into the core of the cabbage. Boil it for approximately about 5 minutes. So 5 minutes later, you'll see that the leaves come out very easily. You just need to pick it up like so. So it's nice and soft now and pliable. If it doesn't come out, you just boil it 1 or 2 minutes more. So then we have to wash our cabbage leaves. Just wash each at a time and finish the whole thing and then drain the leaves. We move on to the onions. Cut 400 grams of big onions. Dice it into, I would say, half cm squares or half cm cubes. The onion gives the filling a very sweet taste. So put the onions aside and then let's have a look at our minced chicken. So here we have got minced chicken. Add in the diced onions, the mixed vegetables. This is just a frozen mixed vegetable. Panko, that's just the Japanese breadcrumbs. Milk. The panko and the milk are added to ensure that our minced chicken is moist and tender. Also add in 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 2 teaspoons of chicken powder. So mix all these ingredients well. So once they are nicely mixed like this, so we can start stuffing our cabbage roll. So we have got this cabbage leaf. Remove the central stem and discard it because it's difficult to wrap with this hard central stem around. So just remove it. If the leaf is big, just cut into 2 like this so we can make 2 rolls using 1 big cabbage leaf. So then grab 1 tablespoon of the filling and just roll them up as what you would do for spring rolls. And put it inside a deep pot. So do the same for the other piece. To expedite the wrapping process, we can do 2 rolls at one time. So it's the same, you just remove the central stem and then cut it into 2. But this time around, you're going to grab the spoon and then put the filling on each 1 tablespoon on each side. So you don't have to grab the spoon, put down the spoon, grab the spoon, put down the spoon kind of thing. Yeah, and then it makes the job really fast. Okay, so do the same for the other side. Okay, we are done. So then the next step is for us to cook the cabbage rolls. So we are going to pour 1 liter of chicken broth. Just 1 liter of liquid is sufficient at this time because we do not want to add too much liquid, otherwise it will dislodge. Yeah, it will slosh about and then our folds will dislodge. So after boiling for 25 minutes, add in the rest of the water, 2.5 liters of plain water. So then we are going to cover this and then boil for a further 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, then we are practically done. Yeah, the cabbage rolls are cooked, so just a little bit of topping. We just need to add a bit of chopped spring onions. Just sprinkle as much or as little as you wish. Also drizzle a little bit, maybe a 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. It really gives it a very nice fragrance. It's really going to be very delicious, this soup. This soup is best enjoyed while it is hot. It can be eaten on its own or with a bowl of rice. You can also whip up a bowl of delicious noodle soup using this cabbage soup. I sure hope that you get to try out the soup someday. Thanks for stopping by, and as always, happy cooking!